I'm back. I'm back. Happy Wednesday, the middle of the week. And on Wednesday, we wear pink. So yesterday, Advocate Baloyi continued with Muzi Piga cross-examination. I thought Baloyi was done, with Mr. Mboto's testimony and evidence. But he said, no. Muzi, let's go back kancane mina nawe mntasekhaya, because this address lewi phikayo uthi awiyazi 1818 Vuzi section in Tembisa squatter camp. You are distancing yourself from this address, right? Uthi yavele mina ngiyazi, mina ngihlala 1818 Vuzi section in Tembisa. That's it. Squatter camp andimazi. Athi Baloyi, oh okay. Manje uMbotho ke yena uyithathaphi le address. Umuzi athi angazi, buza yena uMbotho noGininda. Athi angithi abangani. And futhi yena uGininda noMbotho ngiyabazi ukuthi vele bajwayele ukusayinisa abantu ama-confession babaforce. Hayibo, muzi sicela i-evidence, sicela ukubona. Uba nokutshela lezinto muzi ngicela umbize ukuthi abe yi-witness yakho bhuti azositshela kahle ukuthi i-corruption engaka. Hayi muzi babize bhuti mabaze bonke. Baloyi ari emabhingi muzi kuyawukwa besties Gininda Limbotho are besties. That's why hanana. Okay, let's go to the Tembisa court where you were charged with possession of A, B, and C. Yes. Which addresses did you use there? We have already addressed the Mpumalanga address. But in this court as well, there is 1818 Vuzi section in Tembisa, squatter camp. Squatter camp is also there in the Tembisa case, but you know who's not there? Mboto is not there. So explain to us why the address are similar. Muzi, give us a reasonable explanation so that we can actually believe, you know what, there was some cooking happening here. Muzi offered no explanation. Fine, let's go. Advocate Baloyi Muzi, you know I'm tired. I'm really tired. In your evidence in chief now with Mr. Munisi, you told us Mama Ruti came to you with your phone and said that, Muzi, please unlock. Fagi pin. When our fagi pin, watati phone, Mama Ruti wahamba, waya ku golf red. You don't know what happened there. But remember, Muzi, because you keep saying your defense is angaz begatini. I don't know. What I know is I was going to come under oath on the stand and tell my truth. But the issue is you already done that. You already did that in the trial within the trial. Hey, Gubi, because you have already told us this evidence. And in the trial within the trial, you said Umamfundisi stood there and asked you for this pin. You gave her the pin. She scrolled through your phone and found Umkulu. That's what you said. And you also said she said that she has found what she was looking for. Your testimony under oath, now you are changing it. And when Advocate Baloyi is asking Muzi Horina, what was Mamfundisi looking for now in the trial within the trial, because you have to separate the two because the versions are different. And I think maybe the versions are different because the representatives have changed. Ngomezulu, may his soul rest in peace. He's no longer here. His work, his instructions that he received from Muzi are now being dismissed. Ngomezulu has been so disrespected by Muzi. It's actually quite sad. But we asikolapho ne. Balo is asking Muzi, so tell me, Muzi, what exactly was Mama Ruti looking for on your phone? Angazi, but if you can give me time. If you can give me time to think, to think about it. I can tell you what she was looking for. Mara, in the trial, but in the trial, you said, aye, guys. No. What Muzi is doing to us, it's not it. I don't believe this. Munisi, Advocate Munisi, Maniginig, you had months to look at Muzi's evidence. I mean, Muzi's case, right? The evidence that has been brought forward for Muzi. You had months to go through that and then finally bring forth a reasonable defense for Muzi. But now you guys decide that you're going to bring something completely different. It's like Munisi was not aware of these things that were said about Muzi, that were not disputed, that he instructed Ramasepila Kapa Ngomezulu to say. Because now he's bringing different versions, son. Different. Cannot believe that is our life, but what can we say? That is on Muzi and Advocate Baloyi. We are going back today to go follow some more. Hopefully they're going to wrap it up. They closed early because Ntanzi was not feeling well. He had to quickly rush to the prison clinic, which closes at 3. So yeah, he had to leave early. But anyway, let's continue today and catch up on the socials. Sharp.